Window design trends for home remodeling projects. Windows are an important part of any home, not just from a design and aesthetic perspective but also from a functional standpoint. They provide much-needed ventilation, privacy, and natural light. As such, it is essential to consider window design when embarking on a home remodeling project. Here are some of the top window designs to keep in mind if you're planning a renovation. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward instead of up or down like many other types of windows. This makes them excellent for hard-to-reach places, such as over the kitchen sink or above storage cabinets. Since they open outward with a cranking mechanism, casement windows offer better air circulation than most other designs and can be locked securely for added safety. They come in various sizes and styles that suit any decor. Picture windows. Picture windows are large fixed frames that don't have hinges or sashes to open or close them. They remain stationary at all times, providing uninterrupted views into the outdoors while letting in plenty of natural light inside the home. Picture windows are ideal for use in combination with other types of windows, such as double-hung or sliding windows, which can be opened and closed while the picture window remains in place. Sliding windows. Sliding windows have two sash panels that slide horizontally along tracks and lock into place when closed. The panels can be moved to both sides of the frame for easy cleaning and maintenance access from either side of the frame. Sliding windows are perfect for small spaces because they take up very little wall space due to their design. This makes them highly energy efficient too. No matter what type of window design you choose for your home remodeling project, it is important to select one that suits your specific needs as well as your budget and style preferences. Carefully consider each option before deciding so that you can make sure your new windows will improve the look and functionality of your home for years to come. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to find window designs that perfectly match your vision. Thanks for watching.